Would you be interested in selling your excess electricity at peak rates and buying the same electricity back at low off-peak rates? I'm sure you would be, because this can make you a good chunk of cash. A renewable energy production incentive known as net metering provides you that opportunity. You as a renewable energy producer will have the incentive to buy electricity at a lower price during off-peak hours from the power company and sell your excess electricity back to the power company at a higher price, resulting in guaranteed profit for you. Hi, I am Mohidul Saad, co-founder of solarinsstallguru.com. I will show you in next 3 minutes how you can profit from buying electricity when the price is low and selling it back when the price is high.
Saving money, let alone making money, is hard when it comes to your power company. Your power company is in control and they raise the electricity prices at whim. Not anymore. You have the power to change all that. You can even make a profit from your power company by buying the power at off-peak rates at night and selling the excess power at premium peak rates during the day. Hold on for 2 minutes and you will learn how you can make money from your power company. Net metering is a mechanism that is used to sell excess energy produced by your solar system back to your power company at the same price that you buy from them. Meaning, if you buy for 13 cents per kilowatt hour, your power company will pay you the same price for the excess electricity your solar system sends over. So basically, a small producer like you will receive cash or credit from your power company for the excess electricity you send over to the power company grid. When your solar system makes more electricity than is needed by the power demands of your home, the excess power flows back to the power company grid and the power company keeps track of that excess electricity. Your solar system will generate most of the electricity midday, which is considered peak hour. During the peak hours, the power company rates are the highest. This is another money-making opportunity for you because you will be selling the excess electricity at peak rates during the day and buying back the same electricity at much lower off-peak rates at night. In the process, you make a profit and put some solid green back into your pocket.
If you want to save money and the environment, please visit solarinsstallguru.com and make an appointment for a free solar inspection today. You'll also find a lot of other solar-related money-saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to solarinsstallguru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook of $40 value for just visiting the site. The ebook titled 101 Ways to Install Solar System with Little or No Out-of-Pocket Cost covers in depth how you can save thousands of dollars, reduce greenhouse gases, and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses covering topics such as solar savings, solar impact on the environment, various solar rebates, solar financing, and solar maintenance, to name a few. I would like you to join our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Follow us on Twitter at SolarInstGuru and like us on Facebook.com/SolarInstallGuru. Thank you.